Selamat pagi teman-teman. A lot of you been saying I should do vlog in Indonesian. You're right. Sorry udah kelamaan gue nge-vlog pakai bahasa Indonesia, but today will be Indonesia special. Yeah. Lagi di Fashion Valley, Christmas shopping. Everyone's like doing last minute shopping stuff. Jadi agak rame. We haven't had this kind of rain in a long time. It's a good thing for California. It's also a bad thing for the drivers because people are freaking out on the road. Toko yang selalu ramai dan padat dan nggak selalu orang beli apa-apa. Is it the new Mario thing?
Yep.
Mau. One day. Lagi makan siang di Cheesecake, one of my favorite restaurants, but their portions are insanely huge. Alright, thank you. Itu cuma setengahnya doang. I couldn't finish it, man. It's huge. So that's gonna be my dinner. Obsessed. Okay, gue punya satu pertanyaan guys. Indonesia, please, if you kindly explain to me. Telolet, what the crap is that, man? Kemarin gue post satu Instagram picture. It was like a Christmas picture with me and my cousins. 28 orang is like, telolet, 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 apa maksudnya? So I'm gonna watch the video that explains that. I just want to see why it's so funny to you guys. Okay, 1.7 million. I guess that's it. Ampun, apa baik, sumpah. Ya ampun, nafsu banget, sumpah. It's like you're getting fed. Oke, kedua, gue nggak tahu bis bisa kayak gitu ke sana. That's awesome. I still don't get it why it's so famous in Indonesia. I don't know. But come on, guys, you gotta take it easy on that. He's like, yo, spamming my YouTube, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter with telolet. What? Telolet, telolet. Kalau hari biasa kosong. Ini one parking lot that never fills up is this one. Kosong terus, but because it's Christmas season, people are procrastinating on shopping. This is what happens. Misi tante. Telolet, Alright, we're gonna have dinner at Buffalo Wild Wings. Thank you. And ciao. Made it to the vlog. Where's the Craig? What's good?
Yo.
So we're waiting for the food and I'm cranking on the vlog editing already. You wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? What's good? What's your name?
What's up? Hey, this is Mike right here.
Michael, what you gotta say?
Oceanside B-Dubs, man.
Yeah.
Oceanside B-Dubs. Come on down, man. Come on down, chill with us, you know?
Yeah, good looking out. There you go. Michael is gonna be on YouTube tonight.
Peace out.
Peace out. Thank you so much. You gotta figure it out what it is. What is it?
Hawaiian gold right there, man. Straight from Hawaii.
Yes, dude. I've been wanting to get one for the longest time.
Insulated.
What's on the bottom of it?
Finally.
Alright. Oh.
Revenant Steelbook. Yeah, bro. Yeah. We're at Get Air. It's a trampoline park. It's pretty awesome. Michael though. You got it yet? Michael tuh punya Snapchat spectacles. Itu kayak kacamata hitam.
He's such a big deal now.
Tapi dia bisa ngerekam pakai kacamatanya gitu and it connects straight to Snapchat. So these kids are like, oh my god. But yeah, let's get jumping some. Before we end the night, I'm gonna name my first backflip on the ground. Jeez. I fell on my face, but no pain, no gain. Huh?
Battle wounds.
Battle wounds.
Warrior.
But I did nail the backflip. That's all that matters. Spurt a little blood there, but thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye then.